Ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived to the fucking meetup spot. Shit! Who the hell picks a spot 2 minutes from a police station? Grandma with your grandkids in the car. That is your grandma in the car.
I'm coming. So fucking scared.
Dude, that's like reckless as fuck. I think you should stop. What is wrong with this guy? Damn, cops rolled us. Fuck.
Why are you covering the van with that?
This is cops. Today we got AriAndCars.
Ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived to the fucking meetup spot where we're with Above Average Media. Stoned. Let's go outside. If you guys are interested in Infinity, we're gonna look at the inside. Oh, bro, go inside, bro. It's just sick. He's gonna swing it. Okay, alright, dude. So we're gonna keep it pretty local. Let's take a picture of these spots and let's fucking roll out to the first one. Let's not go to jail. Today we got radios. And we have a Kia Forte who's actually leading the pack today, as you can see right there. I'll be honest with you, we have way more cars than anticipated. And out of 55, we got 7 that are gonna swing it. Oh shit, dirty. Dirty. Oh shit. I signaled though, and I stopped. Way over the line, but we all right. Cops are already here, we're out. Second spot. This is what happens when I let someone else do the spots. Who the hell picks a spot 2 minutes from a police station? Fucking moron, bro. Now, this is the second spot. There just so happened to be a cop on his lunch break, saw 50 to 100 cars pass him, 100% jumped back in his car, is probably following us into this parking lot. So I'm about to have everyone park and we are going to redo the spots because this is absolute shite, and I think that might be another cop up there. Bro, turn off your sirens, bro. You must be so fucking bored. Look at this cop. Someone's snitching. Don't be shy, sweetheart.
What, did he try to tuck you into bed or something?
I don't know, he's trying to get one of our phone numbers. Alright, we figured we have a snitch in the group, so instead of just giving the address out, we just said follow the green car, so for the best. Damn it, the parking lot looked like 10 people, but goddamn, it looks like 50.
Oh, hey, watch out.
Yo, anybody who does a donut is getting a donut, straight up. And I want to see Ari eating a donut while doing a donut.
He doesn't want to be around the crowd.
Grab a donut, dog!
off. There's already no lights here. Intersection, bro. Look at this intersection. It's blessed. This intersection has a new name. That is your grandma in the car.
At a marquee?
Bro, it's savage! It's savage, bro! Savage!
Lady driven or what?
Oh shit!
Lady driven?
Hey, go give them all donuts right now for such a solid donut.
J-Rod, you getting some donuts?
No, we have to. I have lots of.
What?
I'm dead, bro! I'm dead!
Alright, who's next?
Yo, I'm shocked, bro. The fuck?
Can you do a donut?
Look at his face. The homie, bro.
Yo,
You told me that didn't look like his grandma with the thing. It does look like it. Look at it.
Bro, you can't assume genders nowadays.
Anyway, I think your tire is flat.
We got a donut.
Honest to God, bro. I really thought that was a grandma. We all thought it was a lady. How is that a man? Is it really a man?
Thanks for the ride.
Hey, go home, go home, go home! Look at this cop with the spotlight. You guys see that cop with the spotlight?
Then turn left onto Tuscan Drive.
Oh, shit! I got 16 miles to the tank. We're not getting far. Let's get the fuck out of here. All right, look, my man here's about a fucking full swing this whole entire turn. I've done with the Hellcat the M4 to 120. Are you ready? Pure entertainment. This guy is nothing but an entertainer. Everyone's just preparing for the descent. Oh my God.
That's sketchy as fuck, bro. Head on right there.
I thought he was gonna swing it. What's wrong with this guy, bro?
Bro, it's an open diff, not enough power.
I don't understand. I told this guy to try to swing it. I don't know. He's nuts. Bro, he doesn't hit, bro. I'm telling you.
Apex.
This guy's like fucking Man of Steel, bro. He doesn't hit.
Sideways?
Huh?
Did I get sideways?
No, bro. You have to come out and
I'm
throw your wheel.
handbraking it all the way.
Huh?
I'm handbraking it all the
Really?
way.
Well, you gotta flick your car to get sideways.
Yeah, bro. Alright, bro, I'm the 360.
No, you're not. You're holding an e-brake. What do you mean?
Alright, get in. You'll
Huh?
see. Get in.
No.
Get your ass
I've
in
never
here,
been a
pussy.
passenger with anyone except 2 people in my life.
Get
Huh?
it. Get it.
If you slide this corner, I'll get it. Slide it.
No, she said he was gonna do something.
Bro, this dude's like jumping with me. I'm like, fuck that. Shit, baby. Bro, he does not hit, bro. He does not hit.
He has a bunch of grip, bro.
Hey, bro, what a solid turn, though. That's a good race line right there.
Yeah, it's a good apex, bro.
I fuck with that line right there.
So sketchy, dog. So fucking sketchy.
Dude, that's like reckless as fuck. I think he should stop.
Bro, he's sort of oncoming lanes, bro. That's sus, dog.
Bro, he does it every night, bro. This guy does this without camera, without any of it. It's just how he drives all day, every day, man. He broke loose.
Broke loose on
4.5
tire,
degrees.
bro.
After every single turn, he's getting closer to earning this donut.
Yeah, all right.
All of this is for him.
Take a couple bites out of it.
You got that!
Fuck, bro.
It's going further away now. It's going further away. What is wrong with this guy? Full send coming. Hey, so what are we doing?
We're gonna hit the confetti popper over him. It is what it is.
You gonna stay in the middle?
No.
He's got it, he's got it.
Not on a Mercedes.
Bro,
Not
he's
on a
got it, bro.
Mercedes.
He's got it. Trust me. Trust.
I'll go with you. We'll all go. Teamwork.
I'll stay out here. I need the angles. Well, I need the angles though. All right. But hey, Dylan, record. Y'all don't see me after this video. Fuck. It low key looks like sparks. It's sick though. Don't run. Just sit. Hey, sit. Cops. Damn, cops rolled us. Fuck. Wait for him to pass. And we'll dip. Alright, now we dip.
Hey, whose car is this?
What was that?
Whose car is this?
My car.
Where's your plates at? Just gonna check. What you mean you gonna check? You act like you don't know? Fucking shit,
Your
bro.
plates is on there?
No, they're magnets. They usually fall off. Throw them out right now, please. Jesus, bro. Mind if I pop my truck?
No, not right now.
Ticket's covering it by some pins right there. Pins right there.
What do you have a ticket there for?
Got a ticket
Covering
for the
the-
same shit.
No, I'm talking about why are you covering the VIN with that?
I mean, there's no reason to cover the VIN. I just threw it in there. I just covered.
Okay.
I didn't do it on purpose. My VIN's right there. This dude is not feeling this at all. Writing me for everything, bro. Damn, always the last ones, bro. It's bright as fuck. They're gonna try to intimidate all of us.
I guess so.
It wasn't TikToks, but alright. our man just had a baby.
Congrats, Mike. Thanks,
He just had a baby, dude.
I know.
That was the whole point.
I'm stoked.
It's a boy. Legit, it was a boy. Hey, bro, is it cool if I close my door so the battery doesn't die?
Can you turn on the car real quick?
Yeah. Stock, baby. It's got
Just
a
stock?
but it's actually stock. 100% stock. A fully straight pack, baby. That's because there's a malfunction in it. No, but that's not a modified job stuff. How is this? I'm not arguing. That's not allowed. That's it.
This is gold.
No, see, I've been to this. Like, that's not modified job. You can look underneath it. There's cats and everything.
They probably feel like they're on like a... This is Cops. Today we got AriAndCars.
Probably the most hater cop I have ever dealt with. So here's my ticket. I got a ticket for 2 things. No plates and modified exhaust. I got into an argument with this guy. I was like, is this seriously modified? And he goes, yeah. I'm like, bro, what do you hear? He goes, sounds loud to me. I'm like, dude, your damn Explorer is loud in my car. So I'm gonna take this ticket, spit on it. I'm gonna let my lawyer handle it. Nonetheless, we are on the way back to the garage. Off we go. Listen, everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. I got a fucking ticket, bro. I didn't do shit. You guys saw me. I was legit leaving. I told everyone to dip, and as we were leaving, cops showed up. Of course, they look at the lime green car. You know what he told me, and I wish I probably would have answered different, was he says, is this your car in here? I should have said no. Son of a bitch. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hope you enjoyed Yanni's donut giving. If you guys want to go ahead and do some donuts with us, you're welcome to do that. If Yanni's here, you're getting a free donut as well.
Only if you do a donut. A donut for donut. That's our requirement.
That's the requirement. Look, man, we need more fucking subscribers. Let's work together to get some more so we can keep putting out banger content for you guys. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Go on ahead, leave a thumbs up, comment. Most importantly, my name is Ari. This is Yanni. These are cars. Peace.